Welcome to J&J's test video of SMMA 292. This is a 91 Miata 1.6. Running, driving, 167,000 miles. It's rusty, brake lines are blown out, had a hard top on it, so. Runs alright. Check the blow by. Not terrible. I can't drive it very far because it doesn't have any brakes, but I'll show you the transmission engages and all that. 167, no brakes. Hey, look. Oh, look, no brakes. Pull the e-brake. It's trying to back up. There it goes. Oh, these things are sketch. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, as always, and have your pets spayed and neutered.